Australia has some of the finest and freshest ingredients in the world, yet a lot of children still don't know what certain vegetables are or where their food actually comes from. Multi-award-winning chef Peter Shepherd, who runs one of Greater Sydney's finest family dining destinations, has stepped in to share his knowledge.
I love the teamwork, the camaraderie, and the dedication that goes into making great food.
It's this passion and creativity that I want to share with the younger generation.
Each episode, I'll be taking 2 local kids on a culinary adventure here in my chef's kitchen.
This is Foodie School.
Today we're joined by Eden and Bella. So we're making Chicken Wellington today. We've got chicken wrapped in ham, wrapped in pastry again, and then we're going to cook it in the oven like a pie. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, so into here I've got spinach. Put mushrooms in there as well for me. You're going to do the grating for me. I need you to get your muscles into it. No grating fingers.
Don't really want grated fingers.
What else don't you like to eat apart from grated fingers?
Frogs? No, not at all.
What I'm going to get you to start doing is blending this in.
It looks slimy. Yummy.
Okay, we're going to take our chicken breasts, we're going to need to flatten them right out. Put it in a plastic bag, then you're going to hit it with this. You used one of these before?
Yeah, I've used this before when at home we make beef tacos. Yeah, I love to cook.
You right with that one?
Oh gosh.
You look like Thor. Great work. Okay. Do you know what this is?
Prosciutto.
Yeah, prosciutto it is.
What animal does it come from?
Comes from a pig. Exactly. Into that you're going to pop your chicken breast. A big spoon of that onto there.
This kind of looks like a
What is
frog.
This is phyllo pastry. Roll it right up, like a little sausage, yeah?
Like a sausage.
All right. Fold the ends over like a Christmas present. Very good.
Merry Christmas.
Puff pastry. That's it. Squish the ends in.
This looks good.
They both look great. Okay, you're going to break this into the bowl for me.
All right.
Beautiful. Are you going to paint on the top?
Painting. I'm going to paint. I'm an artist.
Good. All right, you ready for me to go put these in the oven?
Yeah.
Excellent. Off we go. Wow, don't they look great? Well done. Nice and moist. Have a try.
That's yum.
What have you learned today in the class?
I've learnt that something with like a really fancy name doesn't mean it's hard to cook. You can still cook it at home.
Fantastic.